Alrighty, so for this back wheel, we are going to be using a couple of different products and then comparing it to the front wheel when I use the Brake Buster. So both of these rims are roughly the same dirtiness. You know, usually the front's a little bit dirtier, but in this case it's all-wheel drive. Even though braking is heavier in the front, haven't done much driving. It's more rain and dirt off the road than it is anything. So I start off with actually spraying a few squirts of this into my wash bucket and using this as a soap. So as you guys can see, it actually foams up really well. It's got like a bubblegum scent to it, which is pretty nice. So I use that in my actual wheel bucket, and then I use the Signature wheel cleaner, diluted 4:1 on the rims and tires. That's just what I've been using, and we're gonna use it here, clean this back wheel, and then we're gonna go into the front using the IK Foam Pro 2 and the P&S Brake Buster. This is just that Signature series wheel cleaner in a bigger bottle. I'm going to start off with pressure washing everything. We're going to be doing the wheel well as well. And then after that, I'm going to come in with my actual wheel cleaner and spray everything down. Then we're just gonna let it sit for a little while, and then we're gonna come back and scrub them a little bit and rinse them off. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the wheel wells and just get those scrubbed clean. This is just a standard cleaning brush that you would find at any Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, anything like that, and it's a soft bristle as well. I also have a stiffer bristle. It just depends on the wheel wells that I'm cleaning and how dirty they are. Alright, and then once we get the wheel well, we're going to take this brush, which is the same thing, just a stiffer bristle, found at a local store, and clean the tire itself. Okay, and then once we have the tire clean, we can move on to cleaning the rim itself. So I'll do the face first. Then I'll come in and I'll hit up the lug nut area. So as you guys can see, this stuff just kind of runs off real quick. It does a good job cleaning. That's why I've continued to use it, but it does just run off pretty quickly, even though it does do a good job cleaning. Obviously these wheels weren't super heavily soiled, but and then after that we will actually move on to the barrel of the rim. So I'll be using my deep wheel brush. I like this because it's wool instead of the harder bristles, and it doesn't get that fling back. And so now we can go ahead and rinse it off. So once again, this was the Chemical Guys Signature Series wheel cleaner. And these things weren't awfully dirty to begin with, but you could see kind of how fast it runs off, and I kind of wanted a product that will hang on real well. So this is my process of cleaning wheels and tires, and all these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. And the wheel wells. And now we're going to move on to the front using the P&S Brake Buster. So let's get this done. Now that's what I'm talking about. I wish it would last a little bit longer as far as pressurized, but it is a small container, and you are shooting foam through it, so it's not going to last quite as long as just a straight liquid. But it works fantastically, as you can tell, as far as the foaming process, and it's really pulling up that dirt and debris, brake dust, oil, contaminants, and everything into the foam, and it's pulling it down off the wheel, as you can see it running off of the valve stem cap area here. So I am going to hit it with a brush. Also, once again, all of these products are going to be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested, so please let me know your guys' thoughts. Let's get this thing rinsed off. Okay, so here it is, all rinsed off, wheel well, wheel and tire, and it is looking amazing. And as you guys could already tell, that this stuff foams up like crazy. I still got some soap up in here I'll get rid of, but this stuff works great. It foams up like crazy. It really pulls that dirt and debris off. This is definitely going to be my go-to. I guess the only downside being is, since it's a foam, you basically will have to pump this up once per tire, possibly twice per tire, just because it is a thicker fluid and takes a little bit more pressure to get that foam out and on everything. So it produced foam like crazy. So there it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget P&S Brake Buster, an amazing product, rust inhibitors, and very safe, non-acid, not toxic, so you're not going to be breathing that in, destroying your lungs. So great couple of products. Stay tuned for a full exterior wash and a full interior wash, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts or what you use, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.